Warm welcome to all of you to our channel Grow to Wealth. Please subscribe to our channel for more weekly recommendations. This week we are giving some very interesting stock suggestions to you. We are recommending top rated 10 fundamentally strong stocks to all of you. We analyzed the past 5-year financial performance of these 10 stocks and also the 5 quarters financial performance. We found that these companies have been consistently performing well for the past 5 years. But let us understand that the past performance does not indicate the future performance. These stock recommendations are only as per our own research. Equity investments are subject to market risks. These recommendations are only for information purposes. Equity investments can erase all your hard-earned money, so research yourself before investing in equity market. All investors should understand that equity investments are little higher risk, so need higher research and attention to create wealth. Last week's recommended 10 stocks have given 4.6 returns to the investors. Price analysis: Nifty and Sensex index has grown by 4% last week. Equal combination of these portfolio stocks have given equal to Nifty Sensex index average of 4.6. We are recommending top 10 fundamentally strong stocks for long-term and short-term investment. Affle India Limited is a global technological mid-cap company with proprietary consumer intelligence platform that delivers consumer acquisitions, engagements and transactions through mobile advertising. They are mainly engaged in advertising and publicity in media and mobiles. Affle India Limited, the company has highest institutional holding with high ROCE, ROE and ROA. Grasim Industries is the largest viscose fiber staples manufacturing company in India. This is a parent company of the well-known Ultratech Limited. The company's net profit margin was declared 100%. The stock trading is at 1.7 times of its value and 19.2% of its stock PE. Hindalco Industries is a large-cap company engaged in aluminium and its products along with copper and copper products globally and is the largest aluminium manufacturer in India. The stock trading is below intrinsic value and is as of now having the highest aluminium price, will give decent profit margins to the company. Infosys Limited is a large cap company and a global leader in technology and consultancy. This company is the second largest Indian IT company. The company provides software development and independent validation services to companies in finance, insurance, manufacturing and other domains. They are handling all tax-related transactions in the country. The company recently ended 8 trillion market cap companies and 4th Indian company in stock market. The company has high institutional holding of 49.1% with high ROE of 27.21% and the highest cash flow in FY21. Redington India is a mid-cap company selling computer hardware systems for IT and non-IT products. As of now, new age technologies like AI, robotics, big data analytics and IoT, 5G communications, etc. are opening new opportunities to the company. The company is having high institutional holding. Stock trading is below intrinsic value. There is high ROE and ROCE. Lowest debt equity ratio has made this company's stock undervalued. Titan Company. This company is a large cap company engaged in jewelry, ornaments and wearables with various well-known brands in the country and globally such as Tanishq, Titan, Fastrack, etc. The company has low debt to equity ratio and has a PEG ratio of 0.78%. Next week, we will recommend some other stocks for your portfolio. Thank you for watching.